Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am here with some Spellbinders goodies for the 4th of July weekend. Yay, I've been playing with my Spellbinders dies, and I've definitely been playing with their pies. If you haven't seen those pies, they are good. Good. This holiday weekend, Spellbinders is having a huge sale, so I'll look and see. I'll put links below. If it is on sale, that will be the first link. The second link may be at scrapbook.com because I know both websites, some parts of the pie is not in stock. That's why I'll put more than one link, okay? Alrighty, let me show you what I made with the pie. Let's get started. First card for the 4th of July weekend. Look at that. Oh, love the pie. It is a whole set of dies, and I was supposed to make a second pie, but guess what? I wanted to make apple pie. The color wasn't working. And then, yeah, that's not apple pie. This is, I don't know what this is, pumpkin pie. It's just too much red in that brown. But here's one set, serve a slice. This one, though, is actually, no, that's not it. Look how many dies there are for this set, all housed in my scrapbook.com storage envelope, 7x10 size, okay? There is Dish It Up, which is the utensils. There is Small Pies, which is Skyview Pie. What you're looking at here is this one, Perfect Pies. Love. Yeah, I keep reaching for this one the most. I knew I would have gotten the whole set because it's just so unique and has so much opportunity to layer and have fun with. You could do just pie. You could call this a custard. You could do the top like I did here. You could do whipped cream. You could do dollops of whipped cream. Look at that. I mean, just from one set. The pie measures, and I'm going with the crust on it, 3 1/4 inch wide by almost 1 1/2. Super duper cute. I could have used the word die here, pie, but I didn't. I could have. You know, this actually is the little, what do you call that? Little vents on a pie? That's cute too. And this can make chocolate chips or whatever little bits that people sprinkle on pies. Can you tell that I bake pies? Not really. Here is one with apple pie. That is the delicious decorations. Love this set. From here, as you can see with my card, and this is like a oversized slimline. I believe it's 4 1/4 by 7. Reason I did it this way was to feature the pie. I started out big and then I kept on going, but I didn't want it too small, like a 3 by 6. I wanted the pie to have room to play. Here, that's what I turned into the blueberry, and then the little leaf. So you get flowers. Can't hurt to have extra flowers. Flower centers, that little circle, which could layer up here or become blueberries, and then these leaves. So that turns into Christmas, fall, and summer. And here's another one too for tucking. And the apples, citrus, strawberry, cherry, and some hearts. And, oh gosh, what is this for? I don't know. I'll figure it out. Yeah. What is the square for? Going blank. And the slice is what I wanted to also show you guys, but I just didn't happen. Serve a slice. So in total, plus there's a stamp set, which I was going to use here, but then I wanted to add a little touch of glimmer. So here, it's the Sentiments for Everyday Glimmer Foil Set. This one, not cheap, and I believe it's on sale this weekend at Spellbinders, so I will put a link for it, and it's a good deal if you are interested in this fabulous set. Has birthday, congrats. Here is a big hello from me to you. So it even just, you know, the just because, like saying hi, friendship, anniversary, congratulations. So there's a lot in here. Get well soon too. Love it. And what I really love about it, a lot of it does come with the coordinated die, not the whole thing. The square ones you can just, or use a die to cut a rectangle around it, but the rest of them have the cutout like this. Look at that. Super duper cute. This is just some 4th of July paper from my stash. And then I put some red enamel dots. And I just love here, because I just didn't know where to go with this. Oh, I still have more dies. Hold on a second. So for the pie, Perfect Pie Sentiments and Filling Stamp. We have a stencil and a box. Haven't used this one yet, but here's some nice little sentiment strips for it. The baker's box. So all of this, which is now 8 items, all 8 items is all stored in one scrapbook.com storage envelope. I tell you, I love these things. I love these things because happy storage. All right. Let's talk about the embossing folder. I used loops. Love, love, love. This is one of those new embossing folders from Spellbinders, the oversized one, 5.5-inch wide, 8.5-inch tall, so you can do a multiple of card sizes with it, from A2 slimline and 5x7, and also squares, you know, 5x5, 4x4, that type of thing. And I used it here in this card. Look at that. So it goes all the way down with the embossing, and then I just layered the cardstock on top. Love, love, love. I think this loop just works so well with it. I had embossed some other of Spellbinders embossing folders, but this one just seemed to be happy with the pie. Now I'm going to show you something between this card and the next card. So I'm going to keep this card over to the side. Here's the next card. Night and day. Same exact pie. Look completely different because of the colorway. This one is more fun and 4th of July. This one is just summer into fall. Both of them are blueberry. This one I ink blended everything. This one I just used cardstock. I'm also showing you how you can get something different here with just cardstock only and foil. This one is pattern paper and everything else is ink blended. So that gives you a different feel. On the blueberries too, I did add glossy accents. If you're wondering why the blueberries are sparkly, because on a card, blueberries should sparkle. Not with glitter, but with or be glossy, I should say. So now this one is using the background here is from the new Thank You for Your Kindness die set. We have all these wonderful word dies, and I showed you this recently in another video. Here, I cut this strip, what I call the lotus. It looks like a lotus to me. And this in itself looks so different. In a previous video, I showed you like this, side by side. I mean, look at the same thing, two completely different ways, right? Love, love. So it's a great background. Here I'm using it as a full background beside each other because it does have a drop-in feature. Here I'm using it to ground, just like here it's grounded too, like the pie is on something, which is this. I love that. I love that. Then I just use some cool pattern paper in the back. This one is grounded with the circle, fluted classic circle. And this whole fluted die set, circle, square, rectangle, oval, and slimline, all on sale. 40% off at Spellbinders right now, the Spellbinders website. So I'll definitely link that below as well if you're interested in this fabulous accent die. And here I just use a circle and then I kind of trimmed it, put the pie on top. This Hello Sweet Friend, it's not from this one, which is the pie sentiments, but instead I used it from that sugar-coated sentiments right there. This is the one with their, I think it's a candy shop or a bake shop. So this one would be on sale at Spellbinders as well. Really good stamp set, photopolymer. There it is, Hello Sweet Friend. Because I just wanted to send this as a card to a friend who I haven't seen in a while. Just wanted to let her know I'm thinking about her. And I think she'd get a kick out of the pie. Now, where the pies are different, and I'm going to zoom it down. So I zoomed down my camera. Let me show you what the difference is. This card was made before this card. Here, the pie is flat, meaning that's the base, here's the pie. But because the pie has a curve to it, as you can see here, while I was making this one, which was just made yesterday, what I did when I gently curved it to make it more 3D, the whole pie looks alive. Down the center here, that's where I have foam. Only here. Lightly. Don't go crazy, because if you go crazy, then it's going to get a hard edge. But you want to get a light edge, and then just 2 strips of score tape here, because when you have something like this, you have to make sure that these edges stay, because now I'm putting pressure to keep it bent without lifting. You know what I mean? So I wouldn't use ATG gun here. I could use glue, but I didn't want it to look so hard, like glued down. So it's a light tape here, but right here in the center, this is popped up. So you'll be seeing all my pies. So when I go into fall with the pie, you'll see this style as opposed to this style. If you'd like me to show you how to do it, just let me know in the comments below. I can do a super quick video on that because it would only be focusing on this die and curving. And I want to work on the slice, so you'll see another video because I am going to make my apple pie. I bought some from the supermarket. I've been enjoying it this weekend. I want to make an apple pie card. Alrighty, crafters. I just wanted to hop on real quick to show you my Spellbinders goodies and this whole pie set. Oh, it's so good. I know bits of it may not all be in stock, but definitely this is a winner. By far a winner. And it could be anything. Cherry pie, strawberry pie. There's lots of videos too on how to make all the different versions and put them together. Obviously, I'm having a thing for blueberry, even though I'm eating apple. So... and this little die set here is just a gift that keeps on giving. Designed by Becca Feakin. Love this accent piece. It's just a straight up winner. And then the sentiments. Thank you. I could have just done the thank you and then the kindness. It just has a lot going on. That's all good. So I'll definitely put a link for this set too. And that's in stores now. Alrighty, crafters. Enjoy your 4th of July. I will have a few videos between now and going into the week, so keep on watching. I appreciate you guys. You guys have a fantastic weekend. Happy holiday. Enjoy your Monday if you don't have to work, like me. So thankful for that. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video. Stay crafty, my friends. Happy shopping if you are interested in getting all these goodies. Embossing folder. These are the accents that just make your card sparkle, I'm telling you. Alrighty, crafters. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye.